Hello traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. Now I'm going to be taking trade based on the change in polarity. I won't talk too much about this, but you can find it there at the ebook. So for those of you who have the ebook, you can follow up and you see what I'm talking about at that ebook. Okay, so this is the change of polarity. It happens whereby in a downtrend like this, we're in a major downtrend because of the 200, the 50, the 200, the 100, the 50, and the 20 EMAs. They are all aligned in this manner, and the price is below them. So here is how the change of polarity works. For instance, let's use this week here. I'm placing my trade here. I'm going to bring it forward. Okay, now you can see this downtrend created a wick here. Now after this wick was created, price broke this wick, and immediately this was a support, it now acted as a resistance here. And as you can see, when it came back to that place again and closed there, what happened? You see the market going back down. So this is what we are doing essentially. So our last reference point was here. You can see here is a support area. You can see when price came back, it went up, and now it broke out with this candlestick. So what are we going to do now? We are going to wait for price to come back here and then gives us a confirmation, and then we do what? We trade in the direction of the trend. Now at this point you can do a 2 or 3 minutes trade. That is better for beginners traders who cannot predict, who cannot get confirmation candlestick, but at this point the price will change. Coupled with the major trend going downward, it is a high probability trading setup. So let's wait. And not only this, you can also use from past levels. If there is a past level here, let me see. Okay, there is none. Okay, yes, there is a past level here. As you can see, it here. So if we zoom in, okay, this was a gap, but I think I saw, okay, yes, I saw something here. This is way back. So here, if I zoom in, I'm going to see a change in polarity, and I can use it, and it's going to affect the current price that we are in. So now we have here, you can see we have support, 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 a breakout. Now here is resistance. You see it acted as a resistance here. So if we go back now it's acting as a support. So I'm going to do a call trade. Now it acted as a resistance. Lastly, now it broke out, came back. Now is acting where? As a support. So I'm doing a call trade because this is what the change of polarity does. It is powerful. At this point, I should have done the call trade at this first candle, but since this trend is long, 1 2 3 4 5, at least for 3 candlestick, it will be going up. So I did the call trade. So this is how the change of polarity works in live action. So I'll wait to see if we can take one more trade again. Let's wait and see. And remember, this is a major downtrend. We are trading against the trend, but because there is a Bollinger Band here and a strong level, we can afford to take this kind. Okay, so let's wait again for a new. Okay, so I had to attend to something. So we are back again. So now, remember, this level is from the far past, so it's going to work now as a resistance. Why? This is not the first time it's happened before, so this is a strong level for me to do a call trade after the breakout of this level. I showed you before. Okay, let it go back up to that. Yes. Okay, now I did a double trade there because it will have to go in, get a rejection, and come back down. This is a major downtrend, so there is a high possibility probability that it will always close back up. Now it's going to come up here because it needs uninformed traders to follow this uptrend. So for those who might not know, they might be buying now, and when there is enough buyers at the last minute, it will come back down. That is how the manipulation by the smart money, that is how it works. Okay, that's what we have there. No, I lost this trade because of the entry. That's why I did a double trade. So again, I can see raise. Oh God. Okay, I can immediately. Why is this not working? Okay, now I can still do. Okay, no, I won't be doing a trade. I guess there is a round number here that I just saw now. Maybe this was why. Okay, there is a round number here of 500 that I saw. So I won't be doing this trade now. We'll wait a bit and then we but right now I hope that you understand fully what this strategy means. Now if you look at this point here, you see how this one here acted as support, a breakout, it came back here and now it acted again as a resistance, and see that same line I drew from the past is now acting again as a resistance. Now if you see two candlesticks like this, two hammer or two shooting star like this, it is mostly a reversal signal. Yes, it is mostly a reversal signal. So I'm supposed to do a reversal, but this is not a ranging market. If it were a ranging market, if it were not a downtrend like this, I would have done a call trade. But it's a trending market, so I would look for failure. What is failure? Failure is when you know what is going to happen, but because of the pressure of the trend, you know it might not happen, so you wait for it to fail. So I know this candle is supposed to be a green candle, but because of this trend, the pressure, it's making it to fail. So for those who entered here because they did not realize this is not a ranging market, they will have to switch position and they will switch now with this running candle. So there are people who bought here, they will have to close their position, and by closing their position they automatically become sellers, because if you have to leave the market from buying, you have to become sellers to gain that position. So this is the idea I'm using here. But in a ranging market, these two candlesticks here, these two candlestick here is what a reversal pattern. So in a ranging market, if I see these two candlestick and I see this breakout, I will still do a call because this now becomes a fake breakout. But in a trending market, this is a continuation pattern. So this will be our last trade for today. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is it. So until next time, I wish you a great trading day. If you haven't, please do wait to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You want the ebook, the link will be left at the description of this video. Bye bye.